Now you need to set a place to write. That's our 500 words rule. 500 words rule, I think it should be made mandatory. Settle on a place to write. Now make sure you write 500 words, one page. At least minimum, even 200 words is fine. I'm not going to be strict. We need to be flexible because writing is a very creative and free process. Try to do 500 words. And also you need to work on specific topics, make list. Once you've settled on everything, on your process, on what you want to write, what is your story genre, story title, romance, young adult, murder thriller, non-stop, 15 minutes, just write anything to get into the group. Maybe not probably for the novel, but just to get into the group. Just write 15 minutes non-stop. Don't stop at all. Fiction, letter to an imaginary person, a letter to your character, to your favorite celebrity, letter to the prime minister. It can be the prime minister of any country. I think it is important as a writer to be inspired. It's good to be inspired by other writers. I myself do that so many times. But at the end of the day, you are selling yourself on the market. Whether you like it or not, we are living in the digital media. You need to leverage and develop a unique voice, well-toned, come up with your own shade that people need to identify you with that story. There's no such thing as a writing method. Honestly speaking, I don't believe so much into writing method. Though it is good that we are here in a workshop, we are discussing about how I'm giving you guys some leads. It's same way like acting or acting. Some actors are born natural actors. Some actors have gone to the school of acting. They follow the method acting, which is very famous. I know Amir Khan follows the system called the method acting, but there are others who have never been to acting school, who are amazing actors across the world. And same it goes for writing. You need time, you sit, we discuss about it to sketch ideas, start sketching ideas. Sketching ideas on your notepad is writing. Thinking process is writing. You can't imagine how much we write in our head. Make jokes inside the head, crack jokes, discuss with your friends. Now, how many of you know Twinkle Khanna? She's both an actor and a writer. So we are not speaking about Twinkle Khanna as an actor, we are speaking about Twinkle Khanna as a writer. Mrs. Funny Bones, she writes about her experience. Very simple, two page for one single chapter, 2 page. The small anecdotes that I think you need to read the book and also try to check her columns on the Times of India. I think it comes twice a month on blogs. When you click on blogs, her columns, it's extremely entertaining, and it's an extension of the book. That's how the book came, by compiling the columns. Maybe you should be more creative. You can take liberty, starting in the middle or the end, or try different methods. If you can't start your story, just think about the middle part, just do it, or start from the end and then you go to the beginning. See what works for you.